Hey guys, today we'll be having a quick look at navigating the Maytas Hub home screen and having a quick look at the Essential Skills community page. Let's get started. This is your home page. You will see this when you log into Maytas Hub. The first thing you will look at is the Connections tab. This is where you will see your tutors who will provide you support throughout your time at TSW. If you are unaware, you will be assigned an Essential Skills tutor from Startup. You will also see your training advisor's name in this tab too. The Actions tab can be used to upload evidence, view your portfolio, which will store your evidence towards your apprenticeship, and log any off-the-job training you have completed. The Journey tab will show you upcoming planned visits or activities. Select them to expand the calendar. Here you will be able to choose which month to look at to see what is coming up for you. You will also be able to see the progress you are making towards your apprenticeship, as well as other aims within your apprenticeship. Your notifications will appear here and help you prioritize what you should be looking at. By selecting the message, you can expand the information. Your feedback that has been sent by your Essential Skills tutor or training advisor will be found down here in the Feedback tab. By clicking here, you can see all the feedback that has been left along with any attachments. Maytas Hub provides you with the ability to send and receive messages with your Essential Skills tutor or training advisor. To do this, you can use the Messages tab or the Unread Messages tab. You can use whichever you find easier to navigate. The Messages tab can be found on the left-hand side. You can see your inbox, sent messages, trash, templates, and even manage folders, which can help you organize your messages. To send a new message, click New Message. Press the plus icon and select the person you want to contact. Add a subject and pick one of the options from the drop-down list. Type in your message, attach a file if necessary, and hit Send. The Unread Messages tab will help you see the messages you haven't yet responded to. You can enlarge the message and even respond using the reply icon, which will take you to create a new message. When you want to access TSW's Essential Skills resources, you can head to the ESW Upskilling Community. Let's head to Communities, then the ESW Upskilling Community. You will be able to find resources here if you have a look within each subject. You can also navigate to specific resources using the taskbar. Here you will be able to select the task you have been set and the link will take you to the resource in question. If we head back to the main page of this community, you can also see there are discussion pages. Here you will be able to converse with peers and Essential Skills tutors, show your understanding, as well as being able to ask questions about topics you might find difficult. If you need further support, please look at TSW's Maytas Hub training documents and video explainers like this. If you are still stuck, you can ask your training advisor to assist you.